Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terminal Classic LUNC coin. Now we have recorded over 63.2 billion coins of Terminal Classic has been destroyed so far. 63.2 billion is a lot of money if you convert 63.2 billion coins to cash. So this is a lot of money that have been destroyed. Now LUNC planned that within the next 3 months they want to hit over 100 billion. But the dream for Terminal Classic to reach 1 cent is still on, and I know it will actually through burning of Terminal Classic that they plan to achieve that. And you can see that the burning is not really giving us what we think, what we want, what we actually before the tax bomb was created. Terminal Classic is not really delivering in terms of what the tax bomb was created for. So I don't know if you are definitely going to look towards the area of cryptocurrency in general. It's been affected. Yes, it is been affected. Even Bitcoin have actually dropped to $25,000. We all saw it. BTC is now trading at $25,000 plus. And I mean, this is a coin as of 2 months ago. BTC actually hit about $31,000, losing about $6,000 price. So whatever affects Bitcoin most times, 95% times affects other crypto coins. So Terminal Classic has definitely been hit with such effect. Terminal Classic has been hit with such. Okay, now we can see LUNC have really dropped, but I still hope that we are going to record more burning. We are going to record more engagement, more social media engagement. More people coming in to trade. To buy, to hold Terminal Classic coins within the nearest future. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that with the burning of Terminal Classic, we definitely increase very soon. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.